Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos, guys, are very special, best ever videos. If you watch these videos, you'll get to be motivated somehow, maybe both side, right, left, center. But anyway, guys, let me take you outside. So this is my sandals here, and actually some few minutes back I was eating papaya right here. So I'm dry these seeds to plant them. I don't know whether it can be germinated, but all in well, let's see. Wow, guys, I'm taking you outside to see amazing day like this. Anyway, guys, outside it's so beautiful. You can see it's a calm day, like trees not waving like here and there. But man, let's do this. Let's go. Wow, guys, that's my dad's home. That's my grandma home, of which I'm so lucky to have both of my grandma and grandma. Anyway, guys, today I'm heading to border town. I personally, and wherever you are, mom, thank you so much. Thank you a million. So I'm going to make a shopping for my mom. Actually, guys, I'm not like hiding anything back. I'm going to purchase some huge bag of fruits, including pineapple, mango, passion, oranges, everything, even a watermelon. So these are back videos, before's videos. So I was shooting videos during Valentine's Day, but I'm going to join these videos together. So I'm just outside here, rushing to border town right now. Wow. So if you're watching these videos, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. Wow, guys, listen carefully. I'm going to join before videos. On date 14 this month, I made 3 good videos, and I'm going to release each videos its own day. Like on Sunday, I'm going to release the videos of which I made last. So I'm heading to border town, and then I'll join that videos together. So guys, kindly stay tuned as you watch these videos till the end. Don't skip ads. Subscribe. If it was your very first time to watch my videos on this platform, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, share my videos, and drop the sweet comment. If I get maybe 5 people share my link to 40 people, I can get almost 400 subscriber, and then that's the best way I can move on to change the narrative within my home here. And also wow, and also my family put something on table. Imagine, guys. Wow, I was coming from nothing to something, and it's by God's grace. I'm not perfect, but I'm keep chasing my dream every day, here and there, right, left, center, to make sure that my family putting something on the table. So let's go this. Let's do this. Wow, guys. This goat's right here. Wow, the goat have been tightening right now here. Say hello. Yes, say hello. Right there. Anyway, guys, if you join these videos and you don't know where I'm shooting these videos, I'm trying to shoot these videos at my home, and my family at my dad's home, and then our family, just like not like, it's our extended family. We have my uncle, we have my aunt, we have my cousin, we have my grandma over there. Man, I'm so blessed to have my grandma. Wow. So at the same time, I purchased materials for my mom for the dream house. You know me, I'm the guy who chasing the dream step by step, little by little, kidogo kidogo. You know, Swahili has some repetition word. Kidogo kidogo. Kidogo kidogo means little little. Pole pole, slowly slowly. You know, and I think even English, some words has kind of a repetition, slowly slowly. In Swahili means pole pole. So I was purchasing this material, pole pole, pole pole. Pole 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 until zikaja. Zikaja means until it's full. I purchase slowly slowly until it's full. Look, man, and I have a long way to go. I wanna add 3 tippers more. So let's see how the day goes. So anyway, guys, as you enjoy these videos, right now I'm escorting my sister to school, and then you will see going to border town. Wow. Wow, guys, this bread right here, we have tea, maybe black tea or white tea. I didn't understand what are inside there. So actually it's around 7:30 a.m. my local time. So today it's on day 13 February. So it's only today. So tomorrow we celebrate Valentine's Day. Actually, guys, right now I'm taking my breakfast and then escorting my sister to school. So kindly stay tuned. After taking my breakfast right here, I'll take my baby outside. At the same time, I'm escorting my sister to school. So on today's videos, I'll have a special, guys. After that, I'll take you outside. So right now, let's do this. I've already washed my hand. Many people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? Man, I'm telling you, I want to escort my sister right now. So this bread. Okay, when I eat strong breakfast, you never see me eating lunchtime. Never, not. Today I'm shocked, guys. It's a black tea. Okay, that's my food right here. Let me pray for my food that are in the table, guys. God bless my food that are in front of my table. In Jesus' name I take. Amen. So, guys, let me enjoy. I'm enjoying, guys. My sister, she have already take breakfast, and she was the one who wake up me. Okay. Guys, I finished taking my breakfast, so it's time to escort my sister to school and see the day how it's go. At the same time, the guy who dig the borehole came again, but he didn't come alone. He came with one of our village dad who dig my toilet, and I think right now the borehole ran smoothly. So maybe no idea, maybe to chase the people. As long as he decide to come, no idea. You have the cook, so it's very very early in the morning here. Hey, the sun is out. So this is the work for today. Before I left to escort my sister to school, hey, blessing from East Africa, Kenya. So this is the work for today. Okay.
Agego signora.
Maramba sikire. Sengo chibafage.
Era cobafu mu.
I will check. Wow. So the guy who dig the borehole is just right over here, and that's one of our dad who dig this toilet right now here deeply until the end. So probably Saka chapu kidogo. You're back, guys. He back to my project again. I hope you dig. Tukamba hamasenti
Kanambia na mbesa
kadoga hamu. Wewe unacheza na dola. Muraha bo mama mwenye wa mona heri chuma biri. He back to the work. Baba tere atana mangana. Mwambie anaelewa. Ya? Si wani hano isima kihikire. Nko haji senti. Omolebe chirakori chigasi changana hiyo. Mbona? Aya ndahanda hetuki. Okay. Hano isiro apros kumetu magandire ngutukire. Ukura hayo ndakore siku 5. Utamlipa pesa siku 5. Mwangire. Wow guys, so sorry I was talking our Latin language. That's a Korean. So it's time to go. This stuff are not working. Alright. I'm outside right now. Oh my god. So it's time to take my sister and my cousin to school right now, just right there. Okay. Kaa tuende. Guys, I'm escorting my sister and my cousin. But my cousin didn't want to go to school. She's crying here. You heard from there? She was crying. She don't want to go to school. But you understand when one is a kid. You understand, guys? She was crying. I don't want to go to school. Let's go. Me, I'm just filming the video the way it is. I didn't expect him. Let's go. Shikilia mtoto asijaanguke jamaa. Let's go. Me, I'm filming the videos the way it is. Right here. See, it's crying. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. So as we keep going, with my baby right here. That is it. Oh, even I'm rushing, guys, because my cousin is crying here. Me, I value education. I give them best education ever, but my cousin crying a lot right here, but we almost to school right now. So this is the school right here. Shush. Hey, my sister. Okay. Nenda shule mpeleke. My sister, he was crying here and there. Okay, it's going that way. Oh guys, after escorting my sister to school, I came to buy the tape measure right here. It's 7.5 meter and it's 25 feet. So every single day I must take the measurement where they dig the borehole, and then maybe I pay the money, or else we sign the contract. When the borehole gets water, I take the measurement, I pay the money. So we just within here, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so for now I'm going to my construction site, guys, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. If you're watching for the first time, this is why we're calling the Bohansi to the world. It looks like this one, and it's very amazing village, and the beautiful sun is coming from there. I think you can see from there. This is a tarmac road right now here, guys. Anyway, I'm rushing to home, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I was coming from the hardware purchasing the food, and it's 7.5 meter by 25 feet. I think it can measure my borehole. So right now I'm going back home, so I'm going to measure the exact feet, and we already signed the contract. I want to make the payment next week to complete everything. So right now what I'm doing here is to go home. Wow. I'm heading home right now. Here the school where my brother and sister learn. So anyway, guys, in case you are new here, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on my today's vlog. Guys, please subscribe. I'm almost to hit 7K subscriber. 500 subscriber to go. 500 subscriber. When I get 5 people, share my link to 50 people or 100 people, man, I will celebrate. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Watching the videos till the end, don't skip ads, drop the sweet comments, and for my premiere again, no worry about these videos, you will get. Wow. And after these videos, I'm going to the construction site, so to see the work, how it's go. You know, I'm the manager, at the same time I'm supervisor, you know. So at the construction site, it's where my life transformed. Why not? So right now I'm heading home with my baby here. This is a slope road, must be very careful. Imagine, like for me, I respect one of our dad who dig my toilet. When that guy dig the borehole, when he came alone, I would chase him, but he came with a respectful dad in my village here, so no idea on that. Me, I told them just join, just do the work. To be honest, if he could come alone, no business with him. But he came with my he came with my respectful dad in my village, and I respect him a lot. He was the one who did my toilet till the end. So like no clue, like no intention to chase him away. So at least he has some kids at home, and he will make sure that he puts something on table. Put something on table. Wow. Okay. Let's go and see the work. No. Oh my God. Guys, I'm back home. I'm telling you. I'm back home with the feet right now here. And after the measurement, I'll keep it in my house. I mahambe na tabi mama. Atono habi mekura hai.
Isa na mali.
Yeno habi mami. Aya. Eyo. Futi 25. Chimba futi 6.
Aya ntombe hano hayo ni goro hayo ne sejo hanwe.
It's 6 feet, man.
Asa yo muga hala toga tukile. Ata ma toga tukile ho. Hano hale hantara chonga hale mani. Torambe hayo atukile.
6
Hano tukile ho han.
Oh hayo.
Na injinga. Ani hake sana hike saba. Anako ke mahande hayo.
Ake harenge. Yo chibore moja, 1, 2, 3, 4 hike 7. Watakori ga? Takori go rafli.
Ano. Ano. Si no ko mo ko.
Ay.
Tarata hanu ga to ka chonsari. Ga chango sanu nanda ko tipo no ko. Tarata hanu nge ba kwa. Kono no mo gagi.
Ikitana nga mukesari atarazuke. Irusiku. Iyo rabima futi 25.
Yo. Memanyule.
Toma hai.
Igora ikara.
Okay guys, I want to check the feet. Tana masetting sasi. Good morning guys, hello baby here, welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So right now it's early morning over here, as you can see. My mama wake up. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, mama.
Hello.
Subscribe
to Hello Baby.
Guys, that is it. Subscribe. If even you haven't subscribed, please get subscribed. You heard from my mom. I need your full love by subscribing to my channel. Anyway guys, so let me give my mama there's tea right now here guys. Don't mind, although my house is totally mess of the darkness. That's bread right there. So, and then we have the tea here. But probably you see me eating the bread on today's videos. So anyway guys, on today's videos are very special, and it's a surprise by itself. All my videos, at the same time I'm surprising my dog with a collar chain. Me, I don't know how it's called, with covering the neck. Oh mama, bring one. I give my dog. Bring one, mom. Bring the dog. Where are you at, man? All morning like this. Bruno to the world. Have a bread. You enjoy. If you wish, enjoy. Today I'm going to surprise my dog for the first time, like the belt covering the neck, and then I would tie with maybe I think it have a chain or not. Maybe I didn't understand, but today I'm trying to make it. Thank you so much, mom. May God bless you wherever you are. I don't want to mention your name. Hopefully you're going to watch these videos from first up to the end. And it's long time. I was making shopping here and there from maybe the supermarket you've already seen. Okay, maybe people say hello baby, what's up, what's up, what's up. But on today's videos, man, you'll see me purchasing some fruits from maybe Border Town or Tanzania, whichever the case, to brought to my mama. So all this maybe couple of days is to enjoy fruits. After eating yogurt, we top up with fruits. Maybe mango, pineapple, watermelon. I'll show you guys. So my mama, she doesn't have any clue, so she was taking breakfast right here. At the same time, the guy who dig the borehole, he came at my job, like he resumed at my job again. I'm trying to chase him away, but he came with a respectful dad who dig my toilet, and actually he was my neighbor, so no more chasing him because he was disappointing me. But maybe he used another means of way, like to attract my attention. Anyway, let's show them outside here. Anyway guys, welcome on today's videos. I'm outside. It's a beautiful day which God have granted us, and I thank Almighty God. My work have been continued right now. Right there guys. Anyway, I supposed to delete my videos because my card is full. So that's the reason why maybe you heard maybe my video have some like anyway, my borehole it's under construction. So he came, and my respectful dad from my village is right there. So he works as a handman right here, and no idea on this, no idea. And remember guys, on today's videos, it's a special videos. I'm going to surprise my mom, and at the same time I'm going to buy my like collared chain, like collared belt for my dog. So this is the work here. What an I need Takamu over Kodicha. So you see guys, I think you can see the guy inside there. Because the borehole it's going deeper, you can't see him. So you had, oh my god, you had inside there, you see? Right there. Chomboma, that's okay. And the container for uplifting the sand from the borehole right there. So guys, it's a bright morning over here, and I'm supposed to head in Border Town to purchase some fruits. I think maybe today I supposed to hire one of my neighbors to drive me while I'm filming the videos. So probably it's hectic to drive, buying fruit, filming the videos. So hey Tash, I'm calling my neighbor from right there. Let me give him a chance to drive me while I'm filming the videos up to Border Town. And me, all my videos in my home here, either I'm doing construction, and the second thing, surprising my family. That's two things that I'm doing my videos. And sometimes I'm doing traveling videos. When I have money, I go to Kisumu, to Nairobi City. But right now, I'm remaining with one city, that's Mombasa. Maybe going there to enjoying the coastal beaches here and there, the breeze from the oceans, you know, and all stuff. So you wait guys, our day is coming. And the toilet is just right there, and the borehole is there. So I'm trying to advise for those people who maybe want to construct a borehole, like it's alternate. The borehole it's over there, right there, and the toilet is just here. So it's just like you put the borehole up and the toilet down because of those channels, you know. So let's go guys, up to Border Town. These videos it's raw and uncut, no editing, no nothing. So but I'll join the rest of my videos escorting my sister to school and my cousin. But my cousin, she didn't want to go to school. She was crying on my motorbike, and I said, you know what, me, I'm the guy who I'm valuing in education, so no joking with education. So I take them to school. I'll join that videos later. But I was shooting very early in the morning, so probably let me head to Border Town. I was calling my neighbor, so today I feel like I want to film free heading to Border Town. So he was coming from right there. Can I go home? So no need job. Hey. Can I go to the side? Huh? Sure. Say hello.
Hello,
You good?
I'm good.
So today I want you drive me for the maybe to border town. It's not our first time to drive me.
Yeah.
You drive me every day.
Yeah.
But nowadays maybe because of money, I drive alone.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go. So at least I can give maybe couple of dollars, so you can put something on table for their family. Okay. Looking at my car, tatangu. Yeah. Hey. So the reason why I call my neighbor is to drive me while I'm filming the videos, and you have a good quality of the videos, you know. Hey, today my face is shining, guys. What? Papaya. Take a U-turn. Take na aru antor askanda hogina. Anondaringe igani nyabo. Eh. Super much. Akona tere kibagiti. Lakini onkore gasi mpaka masenti next week mbare pe. Tere shina tatu mbare bitimbira chenye. Umoroteru wa marava. Uwangu jari chimbira choko poko. Chora akor tere shina tatu mbare bitimbira chenye chonzi. Tu onkore tere bagiti. Super?
Super much.
Aye. So guys, let's go. Right now I'm heading to border town to make some a little shopping for my mom. Actually on today's videos maybe it could be totally different. Oh, let me see my cow, my mom's cow. Say hello. Say hello. Alright guys, my mama, she was milking the cow and I'm supposed to tell her I'm leaving home right now. Hey. So you come again? Oh. So my mama wants to milk the cow right now, and mama, me not talk to sasa hivi. On today's videos, I'm surprising you with a huge shopping for the fruits. Leo ni matunda. I'm telling my mama, on today's videos, I'm going to surprise her with a full of fruits. Say hello. We have the beautiful cow here. Look. So my mama went to milk the cow. After from border town, I'll join the videos which I'm escorting my sister to school, and then I went to the construction site. I'll end the day. What about? Oh guys, sorry. Supposed to check my time. So it's 8:32 a.m. So I'm rushing to border town. Less than an hour to go. Let's go and see. I'm going to make some quick shopping here and there, and then I'll come. So let me show you how my mama milk the cow, guys. Hey. Whoa! Boom! Just right here. So this is a small basin. It has a water and a jug. Oh, wow! First thing is the calf to suck the mother, and then you start milking. I'm telling you. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't wait, guys, to see my mama milk the cow. I'll show you. Here, no machine for milking the cow. We use hand, like manpower. Hey. You give him some seconds or some minutes, the calf to suck their mother, and then you wash that stuff, and then you start milking. You see guys how mama she was working so hard. Sorry guys, this house doesn't have a window, doesn't have light inside here. It is what it is, but we follow the vibe to the end. You see, washing the hand and washing that, I don't know how it's calling, but you must wash them because when the calf sucking, it's left some saliva there. You must wash them. My African mom. And then you start milking. Look. This is white cows are milk. And the good thing is our cow are not aggressive. You can milk the way it is. No tightening of the leg, no nothing. Just the way it is. Wow. Hard working mom in the village. Okay, Mama, me, I'm going. Alright guys. Bruno is waiting. Today I'm going to surprise you with a collar neck belt. So, the gumboots, jembe, maybe Mama want to go to farm. I didn't understand. Oh man, look. So my mama, she was preparing the tea for the guy, for the people who are doing work to our borehole. Look, man, the fire is coming like look, right there, you see. And first process is to boil water, guys. Because of time, let's go. Anyway, I left home right now, so probably see. Emang berapa tata morali pe manchi kata agar het. Maka.
Angkuli bahayo.
So itu tore. Hayu.
Kau di goro ya kayu. Goro ya kuju ven.
Gam tora harus tempat ya.
So kiringura. Bangkala lalu ya behone keresan ne togote. Ne keresan ne misumari. Sibon hayu hande ne sera tora alichoke. Tuli beg se hayu.
Hai.
Trate ne re di goro hayu gato tusi. No te goran gorage.
Mama rabo.
Kana hayu interesa se digo hayu pilla sa.
Kana yo uso tu kunyo ne koreo.
Na yo. Hata no hona nante biri ke koreo ra tuche na yo. Amu bulia ngo ko na mukani ga. Ananta le koreo. Anyway guys, me, I'm heading to border town. Let's go. So I left the work to be continued right there, and the guy's waiting there with my motorbike. Actually, he was my neighbor. From my home here to his home, just like 1 kilometer. Let me say that. 1 kilometer. Guys, on today's videos are very special. Okay, let's go. Hey. Border. Yeah. We go. We left the Wow. So heading this way, and his home is right here, and my home is over there. Imagine, just some kilometer, not even a kilometer, 1 kilometer. Because he was a close friend of mine, and me, when I'm putting something on the table, I make sure that I even him put something on the table. Recently time, he was driving me when I have a lot of things to do, going border town here and there. The guy who makes some bricks right here, right there. barre gonna tell me video tare. Wow, guys. We are going this way, guys. We're not using this route. Because here you must put the motorbike beep beep because you have the sharp corner. Woo! So he asked me, hello, where is your helmet? Few days I got to wear my helmet because it is I make the hair and I supposed to give him some couple of days and I'll start wearing the helmet. That's my baby right there. Heading this way. These videos raw and uncut. For the first time you join my vlog, please guys subscribe. Right there you have a SDA charge with iron zinc. It's raw and uncut, no editing, guys. If maybe somebody didn't like to film him or her, I'll edit that part. But if they want to film her or him, no editing. That's banana plantation. Oh my God. Imagine guys, all the way up to border town, you make shopping. Today it's a kind of different types of shopping. For the several time I was making that, maybe buying cooking oil, buying one box of soap, rice and everything. On today I'm changing the narrative, or I'm changing the types of shopping. There's fruits. Guys, okay, just a minute. Guys, let me see Brother Dagi. Where is he and say hello to him. Yo. Wow. Alright guys, I came to say hello to Brother Dagi and then I'm rushing to border town. Okay.
Hello guys, this is Brother Dagi. I'm outside here. I was washing the clothes right now.
Yeah, it's a small roundery right here. Hey, let's do this guys. Anyway,
Go support me, check me out on my YouTube channel at Brother Dagi. You just wake up early in the morning, you can see even there. That is the clothes.
Clothes right there.
Yeah, I just wake up to wash clothes, you know, and I'm using hand to wash like this, eh? No machine, no anything, it's about your hand. Washing like this.
Guys,
anyway,
if you see me here, Brother Dagi and David Jr., three Migo, fighting on the ground.
We are here, man, and we always appreciate for the support that you're giving us. So today, content of today, it's more fire and fire and fire. So just came on my channel, watch the video, go support my brother Hello Baby, and we always appreciate for the support that you are giving us. We are outside here, man.
Okay, man.
Hello,
Me, I'm
welcome.
going.
Yeah.
I'm heading to border town.
Yeah.
It's long time, and I wanna go and make some shopping for buying fruits for my mama.
Yes.
Actually, it's long time.
It's
Even
long
me,
time.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
A day when I bought fruit to my family.
That is
Sometime I bought maybe grocery, maybe sugar, salt, cooking oil, flour, a lot of shopping.
Yes.
Every single day, I take back to my mom. So
Okay.
today, change the content.
Okay.
On today's videos
Okay.
is to buy fruits.
Okay.
A huge bag of fruits. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Yes.
I will be
Serious.
there, guys, watching, and you will see how everything moving
Serious.
on. That
Serious.
is it. Yeah.
If you get something,
Yes.
just support your mom.
Just support your mom.
Know where
Family
you came
first.
from.
Yes.
Know where you came from.
Family first, man. You know, you remember where you came from, struggling here and there, man.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yes,
If you could not my family,
Yeah.
I could not go harder every day.
it's true.
You know, I could sit maybe somewhere idle. At the end of the day, I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, it's
But
true.
because of my family,
Yeah.
I work so hard
It's true.
to make my dream come to reality.
Yeah,
So today, you will see that video.
that is it.
Okay.
Guys, we are
You shall
together,
meet
man.
later, man.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm waiting, man.
Okay.
Okay, let me shout.
Okay, you shall. Guys, I'm heading to border town. The motorbike guy is waiting me. Okay, let's go. Me, I'm not blagging things. When I'm saying like I'm going to visit somebody, I mean, and I take the action. so much for the love and support. Actually today my family will enjoy eating fruits here and there, and then I'll surprise my dog with a collared belt chain. Wow. Let's see whether I can find in border town. When it's possible, I'll make a booklet from Nairobi. All in well, I pray Almighty God find in border town. Wow. Okay, we passing here in the bush. Where I normally come in a deep village, I breathe fresh air and beautiful scenery. You can tell today the cloud is blue in color. Like at a normal day during midday, you will see the cloud. This is a dump site here. So all collection of the rubbish from the border town, it's come here, even from Nyabohanse. This is a municipal council where they throw dustbin over here. Some meter apart from here to join the tarmac road. Right now I left this place and I'm heading this way to meet a tarmac road. And that tarmac road, it was been built by the colonists 19th century up to nowadays. It's a long time, and it connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. So here, the tarmac road right here. Over here they cut tax. So we keep going up to border town. Hey! Up to border town. And here we have a hospital, Sibani Hospital. Wow. And right here, that's my Roma Catholic Church. I'm telling you. If we are a Roma, just comment on the comment section. It's a Roma Catholic Church. That blocks right there. I supposed to have class. I'm just dreaming. That blocks. We're fully outside. But it's so high. My village. And guys, Africa is the land of free freedom. Africa, our motherland of Jamaica. Just come to Africa, motherland. Oh, keep rolling with our baby like this. That's a share right there. People food outside to put food on the table. This is border town for you. Track right there. I'm I'm telling you guys, there's no need to go to Tanzania. I'll purchase some fruits here. And I remember during the party, day of 2024, till day of 2023, November, we normally purchase fruit in Bora Town. Then here, I'm telling you. We have the police post here. No phone snatcher here. No camera snatcher. No nothing. Okay. Let's go and see. This is Bora Town for you. We have Cooperative Bank and Equity Bank at the same building here, making a business of exchanging money rate here and there. This is Bora Town for you. It's well developed. You can tell in the comment section, people are building tall house. Look even at this house here. Construction are going on here, right here. Let's go on the other side here. Okay, we're fully outside. Have the tank right here. Imagine welding take place right here. Guys, first thing, let me ask the colored chain belt. First thing, let me ask whether I can found yes or not yet. But hopefully I will find it on this grocery here. Guys, I didn't find them here. So let me make some more research as we go. I was looking there, I didn't find them. There's more fruits. I'll make shopping here. Or outside going Tanzania. Okay guys, I decided to buy some fruits here. All in well for my good customer. Right here. Wewe. Utaniuze vile unauza Tanzania. Juu nilikuwa naenda Tanzania. Shingapi? Tanzania ni shingapi? Si ni 150.
Tanzania 150 tikiti upate Tanzania 150. Kama hii nimeuziwa elfu 4.
Na hii?
Hii ndio utakufanyia 400.
Mbona 400?
Yaani unaona
tafuta nini sasa? Tafuta basi nini? Kifuko kikubwa. So there's no need to go in Tanzania. It's the same price. Okay. Come. I have the motorbike here. So we have mango, we have papaya, we have cucumber, we have passion, we have banana, we have apple, we have pineapple right here. And let me keep making some research for the pineapple right here. Mama.
Yaani siku hili ni gangaji.
Aya, utaweka mananasi. Unauzaje?
150. 150.
Usiniaje tu ningeenda Tanzania. Ni wote mama mnanigonga hivyo.
Nitakuuzia 120.
Sasa utaweka mawili.
Sawa. Mimi niweke nini?
Takwambia. Ngoja alete mifuko. Nitakwambia. Okay. So I need to promote them here rather than going to my neighboring country. So I stuck here. So I wanna start here buying little until I finish up. So we have mango right here. These oranges. Hey, this one is so big, man. Oh, look at this. So I'll buy oranges, passions, cucumber, mango, papaya right here, watermelon, banana. And let me know in Jamaican how they call this small banana. One day Jamaican uncle told us, but I forget. Remind me on the comment section. Aya, weka.
Ameshaenda. Hii?
Ugonge nimeiva.
Imeiva.
Nikitoboa nikute ni mbichi ndani.
Ama nitoboe? Imeiva.
Unaweza toboa? We need to check. Toboa tuone. You must check whether it's ripe and then you negotiate. Oh, okay. Sasa hilo nitakaa nalo. Hilo nitabeba, vitu vingi zinaenda huko. Okay, that one I can't separate because we need banana, we need papaya. Okay. Eka maembe yenye yameiva sasa. Ama hauna. Embe moja ni shilingi ngapi?
Fanyia 60.
Na sina deni, si ndio? Hii nakulipa leo usiogope.
Mangapi?
Eka hii hapa. Ama haijaiva. Na kama vitu yametosha haya. Haya. Weka maembe. Machungwa. Dubai. Weka zingine za 100. Weka za zimeiva.
Machungwa si mbaya, hii machungwa ni tamu. Si mbaya tu kione hivi si mbaya.
Okay. Passion. Each goes to 50 shillings. Okay. Put for 200. Okay, banana hiyo hizo za mbele zote. Amani. Piga
Nini nikaanza
nenda waeke huko mananasi wale kidogo nao ni wachange.
niko na moja.
Takuja tu. Yonshinga.
Sasa nilete na mama kaka.
Okay. Nakuja huko mama, wewe nenda. Nakuja utaniambia nanasi ndio tena. Okay. I want to promote here, there and there. Okay.
Kuna super nidanganya.
Nikakudanganya mama.
Huwa simwamini sana.
Kata basi masikio.
Nitakumwamini nini?
Si nimwamini akisema
Imeiva lakini. There's a pineapple. Right, I promote here, there and there. Na wewe muteka nini? Eka machunga yako. Epo. Na uzaji shinga. Eka za 200. Okay, these are apple right here. Maybe for the first time my mom to taste apple. Umeka? Haya. Avocado yako ni okay, eka maembe. Mbona umelishika limeiva sana?
Anashika tu pole.
Unauzaje?
50.
Aya, weka ya 200. Nakuja. Si utabeba hii tukienda huko. Mradi ukuwe na hesabu ya vitu zako. Yako imefika ngapi? 200.
220 nanasi. 200.
Maembe umeweka ya 200. 420. Haya. Umenichagulia zimeiva? Na hii? Zimeiva hizi? Hii shilingi ngapi?
200.
Haya, nipe na machungwa. Nipe avocado na machungwa. Nipe avocado za 50. Hii na kidonda mama. Hii mchana huu hadi ninaona tu. Haya. Wewe umesema 400?
Niongeze nini? Machungwa ya
420.
Wewe 250, si ndio?
machungwa ya
Ongeza ya 50 twende nani? Yako imefika 200?
Imefika 100.
Oh. Oh, 200.
50.
Mbona? Ya tatu. Sawa, funga basi. Nifungie hii. Our day, my content change. Oh, look at that. Woo. Woo. Hey. Haya. Hey, imepasuka. Haya. Niweke mapaipai moja. Jumbani hawapendi. Hapana dada. Haya. Niweke na cucumber moja. In my family don't like cucumber, but me I take the cucumber. Haya. Na hilo si ndio? Today is something else, I'm telling you. Okay. Haya, nipatie sababu yako. Okay. Ni 400. Watermelon. Paipai manini?
Passions. Passion
200. Haya nanasi.
Nanasi 150. Haya na nini?
Machungwa
200.
Haya ndizi.
Ndizi 120.
Haya cucumber.
Cucumber 30 bob.
Na maembe.
Maembe nimekuwekea
matatu.
Nafanya 150.
Sawa. Na mfuko. Ama mfuko umenunulia. Eka na mfuko.
Mfuko 50 bob. Na nini tena?
Ni hiyo tu, sijachukua kitu kingine. Nakumbuka. Paipai sumeka. Watermelon. Passion. Maembe. Hii 200 uliweka nini? Machungwa 120 ni nini? Ndizi 30. Cucumber 150.
Nimefanyia
nanasi zipo bado. Umeweka nini? Umeweka kila kitu.
Papai ndio sijaweka.
Haya, anza kwa 400 uone. Anza tu uone.
Ni delete nianze.
Delete tuanze. Guys, we are heading to the systematic way for the money. So 400 for the watermelon.
Haya.
Plus
200 nini oranges. Haya. Plus tena
banana 120.
Plus
mango 150. Passion
200.
Papaya
100.
Plus 100. Haya cucumber. Mfuko. Sasa kuna nini na misi hapa? Haya, sipari nimechukua machungwa. Nimechukua pale na nini hizi apple huko ni twende hadi huko. Kama kuna vitu nimeweka extra acha zikae hapo. Kama kuna vitu nimeweka extra utakuja unikumbushe. Lakini mimi hizo tu nimechukua. Aya, ongeza hapa 300. Okay, plus 300 here. Ina shida. Plus 300. Okay. 420, si ndio? Plus 420. Yeah, guys. At the same time, she was my calculator, guys. Zimekuwa ngapi? 1,970. Pesa yote ni 1,970. Okay. Ndio hizo. Nipatie na change. Atawapea mama. Hapa 420 300. Hai. So it's time to go. Full of fruits right here. I'm telling you. Whole bag. And I hold the watermelon right here. It's waiting me. What a good day. Thank you so much, mom. May God bless your abundance. So I'm being in Boratam right here. And the guy is waiting me. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys. So it's time to go back home. And I need to put this here. Watermelon. And then I'll come later to check that stuff for the dog. Nipatia hii kwanza. Nitafika leo kweli?
Tafika. Tuende tuko.
Haya. Wanguige marahani. I'll place here the watermelon. Haya, asante mama. Warego. Asante za Swahili words means okay, masani means thank you. Okay. Slow. Pole pole, no pressure. But this guy, it's crazy. Alright guys, so I was making some, I was asking the color net for the dog. I didn't find what hardware here, and where I am, I was making the chocolate. It depends my time, guys. I'm going to be good when it's anniversary. But today, I will make it. I will make it. I'm going to surprise my mama. What a blessed day. Right. Oh. Guys, I'm sitting like a goat on my motorbike because it's full of shopping right here. My mama didn't expect this, but it's by God's grace and God opened the door. Man, I'm so grateful to my family. And mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. Thank you a million. May God bless you abundantly. And nothing could wish you but more success toward your family. Okay. This border town. That's Tanzanian car. Right there. The whole 1 week. My family could enjoy the fruits here and there. So I asked one of our agrovet, the guy told me I should check this road junction, but because of shopping here and there, I can't stop. So I'll come later to ask. I think that way. So guys, stay tuned, we shall meet at home. Guys, I'm heading home. At the back of my motorbike, I'm sitting like a goat. Whoa. Wow. Hey, a beautiful morning, man. Here. Wow. Sometime when I'm heading to border town, maybe I get some challenges of the music. Everywhere is the booming of the music. So soon after here, we cross it to the, oh my God, something entered my eyes. We cross it to the Muram Road. The young one about the ones. The young one. The Meruhan. I had to tell. Here they cut tax. Right, you see me right there. So you're heading home. Okay. But he was a professional driver. I see the road is coming from this angle. Oh. Bring a lot of dust here and there. Guys, if you're watching this video, please subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed, show me some love. The car is running here. Wow, I'm sitting like a goat. The motorbike is full of shopping. Wow, I'm so happy, man. It's my family made me to go harder. When it's not my family, I could chill somewhere else, idle. Without doing nothing, at the end of the day, I'll go home. By putting hands on my pocket. But one of these days, God opened the door and my family is enjoying, putting something on table. Every day, it's by God's grace, man. I'm not perfect, but you guys, you're amazing to me. So today I want to drop this video earlier. So tomorrow, it's another video by itself. No harassing, no nothing here. Hey, see at the far end, the guy is coming. Kasongo!
I'm coming. Eh?
Okay. That's brother Dagi. So he's coming. After a few minutes, I'll check him. But I visited him on morning when I'm heading to border town, man. This is the cheaper school here. We have the local school for the baby. Hello, baby. But that's my YouTube channel. My official name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel means God with us. I was born in a good day when Jesus born in Bethlehem. That's the time of hello people who have been born. I'm telling you. We have the shop right here. It's totally heavy right here, and my neighbor carrying the watermelon there. So heading home right now. East to west, home is the best. So my mama, she has no idea on this. Okay, Mom. So this is a watermelon. So he went to call my mama from the garden, guys. Even my arm started paining, man. What? I'm telling you, it's because of this shopping. It's totally heavy. We have inside the pineapple, and we have another one here. We have watermelon. It's so big. Even my worker could be enjoyed today after having food, and then they're having fruits. That's the simple who I am as a Hello Baby official, right? Guess who is coming from there? Right there.
I have a hard-working mom in my home here. Me, I wanna say thank you so much. God to bless me to have a hard-working mom, and who guiding me every day to be a good son forever until when the day it reach. Look, there's gambut. So, mom, I brought for you a shopping here. So today's a kind of different shopping. Today's a fruits. No cooking oil, no rice, no anything. Today's a shopping of fruits. Look, right here. Tachu sabe terumkino afu morar. Hota mai na nasiri. Yes. So I gave one of my worker the pineapple. Nasema mana raba he watermelon baadaye. Okay, ngeva no more. Baba no hapa hiki kebi. Ni sahani. Aya. Aya. May feel so happy, guys, when I give somebody food. Okay, mama, you can bring maybe basin. Iribiri nene tareta kura nyumba. This is a huge of shopping, mom. No pressure on that. Yeah, you wait. After this moment, I'm going to make a research because I make some couple of grocery, like where they're selling, where they're selling maybe animal pets, like medicine for the animals. I didn't found, but the last pharmacy that I asked is pharmacy or grocery. They told me go to the road junction. You ask, and I was holding full of shopping. I didn't manage to go there. So this is a watermelon here. When it's to do like boom, 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 that's when it's already ripe. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm waiting my mama to come from the house right there. And we have the water tank here. I'm digging the borehole for my family. What a blessed, man. What a blessed. God, thank you so much for giving me this chance, for giving me the opportunity to support my family. Thank you so much. And for giving me good health and more years, I will support my family as I can. Me, nothing could maybe hide anymore. Okay, that's the best thing. Let me put here. Okay, mama. Urarusi riba ngora. Riba bro tore kando. Tatora mono. There's a papaya. There's mango. Uraha honyora taho honyora kayurus. There's mango, guys. Because I bought at a different seller, and it's 3 women like my mom selling. And I say, oh, okay, you know what? That's mango. You know what? Let me support them. Okay. Me, I like cucumber, mama. This one I will eat. I know it's tasteless. That's banana. Put there. And I think one of the banana I got spoiled. This one here, mama. Get spoiled. Put right here. Mama, you put banana side like that way. Avocado put here, ma'am. Okay. You know, unajua hii ni nini? No mambitik. Guys, guys, I'm asking Mama, did you know what is this? These are an apple. Okay, put inside here. We bought a lot of fruits. I think I could do the partition here. This one you put here, mama. Because separate. Like that way. Mango there. These are orange. Okay, mama, you can put here. I think so. Here will be better. These are mango. Pineapple you put aside. Don't mix because it's heavy. Put down. There's a mango. Right there. Full of this bag. This is a passion. Guys, I can't wait to see my family enjoying fruits for the first time.
I was making different kind of shopping, but nowadays I'm changing. No need huru.
No mahuru. Tote nanda ni koru viva vitaga chako sari kamicha katuchi. Yo komama.
Tarusi.
Kutibi.
Then this we put here. So my mama told me to put like banana on top. Okay, you can put aside here for now. As we keep rolling the camera, yeah, you put the mango. Put it here to cover the passion. Yatora machungu. You put here orange. Okay, mama. This passion, maybe you can put here. Here, mama. So I left my mama to arrange. Guys, comment on the comment section. What do you think about on today's videos? We have another one there, mama. Okay, put here. Okay. I want to totora maembe. Machungwa. Look. By yourself. Nothing there. We have banana. But when I was passing on the road, the guy who make for me some bricks, he calling me, oh, give me one. So I remove this one. I give the guy who make for me some bricks. So you do like this, ma'am. Yes, there. You put there. Okay, mama, take it to your house. Unaweza semaje mtu anayefanya kazi kama?
Thank you. Thank you for more.
Yes, I'm asking my mama, how do you say for the somebody who made it possible? Mama, wherever you are, thank you so much. Thank you. And also my mom said thank you so much for supporting her. Like in general, for supporting my family. And we have fruits of right here. We have a lot of fruits here and there. But after this, I'm going to buy the collar belt for the dog. That's my big aim. And mama, tomorrow, no, on Saturday, remind me, I have the money for my sister. I'm going to buy for her a bag, school bag, a nice one, school bag. All right? Okay. You take, man. So on Saturday, I'll buy my sister the school bag. Hey, it's heavy. Okay. And then we have the watermelon here. Guys, stay tuned.